Hello guys, today we'll talk about a model of phones you don't know about it. This phone is Sharp Aquos R6. Before begin, don't forget to do like and subscribe to my channel and activate the notification bell to receive all videos. Number 1. The body measures 156 by 74 by 9 mm and the phone weight 181 gram and have IP68 water resistant. Number 2. The screen here is IGZO OLED display with size of 6.6 inches and a resolution of 1260 by 2730 pixels and come with refresh rate 240 Hz, the fastest phone actually, brightness reached to 2000 nits. Number 3. The processor, it is powered by Snapdragon 888. This means you can play games as PUBG Mobile smooth, 90 frames per second, and same thing in Call of Duty and other games with one from best gaming experience, and the phone have 3.5mm headphone jack. Before entering the fourth point, I hope you don't forget to do like and subscribe, activate the notification bell. Number 4. The camera, the main camera in this phone 20.2 megapixel, you will get a beautiful picture with by this camera's beautiful angles and great settings for photography and record video 1080 30 frames per second, but in front camera 12 megapixel record video 1080 30 frames per second also. Battery, the battery size is 5000 mAh with charger 65W charge 100% in 1 hour. Number 5. The price of Unihart's Luna phone is $210 version 256GB 8GB RAM. Will find the purchase link in description. Thank you to watch to the end of video. Don't forget to do like and subscribe to my channel. Goodbye.